Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about something rich, elegant and timeless. Yes, we are talking about velvet dresses with stunning lace designs and plain velvet suits that define style for 2025. Velvet, the fabric of royalty, never goes out of fashion, and when you pair it with delicate lace, the result is pure magic. Whether it's a full length dress for a wedding or a soft velvet kurti with a fine lace detailing at the sleeves and borders, it's just the right touch of glamour. This year, designers are leaning into deep jewel tones: emerald green, wine maroon, midnight blue, and classic black. These shades look breathtaking on velvet and suit every skin tone beautifully. Let's talk lace work. From intricate necklines to lace bordered dupattas and scalloped sleeves designs, lace adds elegance without overdoing it. A simple plain velvet kameez with fine lace on them, perfect for formal evening. Or a floor-length velvet gown with sheer lace sleeves, just wow. If you love minimal fashion, go for plain velvet suits with neat tailoring and let the fabric speak for itself. Add a chiffon dupatta, a pair of heels and subtle jewelry and you are ready to turn heads. These designs are not just stylish, they are comfortable, regal and timeless. Whether you are dressing up for a winter wedding, a festive dinner, or just love collecting unique outfits, these velvet lace designs are must-haves in your 2025 wardrobe. So which design stole your heart? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your thoughts. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more elegant fashion inspiration coming your way. Thanks for watching and remember, style is all about confidence and comfort. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.